getting the crack in my windshield repaired in my Hyundai.
What,
Right over here. Oh. Do you have a rock issue here?
oh yeah, probably.
You got to be really careful. You see how it's splitting your glass?
Yeah.
With this cold, that's going to expand and crack your whole windshield.
Okay.
I did want to let you know, before they spread like that,
yeah,
we do professionally repair them for our customers here.
Oh, okay.
You're still fully insured on the vehicle, right?
Yeah.
And who's that with? Like Progressive, Allstate?
Geico.
Geico?
Yeah.
It's actually free of charge.
Oh, really?
Yeah, only takes 5 minutes. I'm
wow.
going to get you a warranty. We're going to seal it up real quick. You can sit in the car and stay warm while we do it.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
All right, thank you.
Yep. You ever seen one repaired before?
No.
Alright, so I'm going to explain it. So first we just clean out the crushed glass where the rock impacted it.
Okay.
And then what we do next is we inject it with a resin. It's like a liquid glass.
Okay.
So it's going to restore the structural integrity of that spot and keep it from spreading.
Okay.
And then while that's filling in, before we finish and cure it, we always like to let Here's a card for you too.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, that filled in perfect.
Okay. Looks good.
So there's no more pressure in the split, and then it's
Okay.
also flush.
Awesome.
You can put the heat on now.
Okay.
It's not under any pressure anymore, so.
All right.
So that filled in perfect. There's no more pressure in it.
Okay.
I'm curing it now. Once I'm done, it's going to be perfectly flush, so you won't be able to get like moisture or air inside of it.
Okay.
And it also won't rip up the wiper and put a scratch in the glass, so you'll be good.
Cool.
It's a good idea to put it on the car, though.
Yeah.
Advertise that.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I'm sure you get a lot of people that see that.
I do.